Big fish, little pond. Big fish, little pond. Y'all see this frog right here, y'all? Y'all see that frog? I'm about to try to catch it. About to try to catch it. How we doing? I got my net today. Believe that. Alright, so I'm about to try to catch the frog, y'all. Got his ass, y'all. Got the human frog. Got the human frog, y'all. Got his ass. Caught the human frog, y'all. Look at him. Caught the human frog, y'all. Look at him. Caught the human frog, y'all. Yeah, he's big as the bucket too. That's how we doing it. Definitely a little like a bullfrog to me. Huge. Y'all see that? Look like some type of crane. Got a long leg and a long beak. Some type of crane. Never seen nothing like it really. Maybe a new species. I wonder if I should try to get up on it a little closer. I don't know, guys. Never really seen a bird like this. Let me know in the comments what you think of kind of bird this is. Pretty big too. Really weird. Hey guys, I'm up here on the bridge and I just noticed this to me. All on the bridge it looked like poison ivy. Luckily I've been doing my research. These are the poison ivy berries right here. You know, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Is this poison ivy or not? All over the bridge here. But I'm not gonna find out. So y'all ain't gonna believe this. I look in the bucket and the frog is gone. So the human frog that outsmarted me again, y'all. I think I seen another frog over here. I'm gonna try to catch it. See him, y'all. And you already know. Beautiful dragonfly, guys. The beautiful dragonfly. All they're doing is laying eggs out here. We also got another frog right here, y'all. On top of that branch. Man, it's a lot of wildlife out here. A lot of bullfrogs. Big fish and little pond. Big fish and little pond. Looks like we got another bullhead catfish, y'all. Look like a little bullhead catfish. Right now. Y'all see, we caught a little bullhead catfish off the worm, y'all. Alright, in live action. Mansell TV. Big fish, little pond. Big fish, little pond. And a little bluegill. Check that out. Well, that's it for today, guys. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Until next time. Mansell TV. Big fish and little pond. Big fish and little pond.